Come test drive this 2004 Ford F-150 Heritage. This two-door, three-passenger truck still has less than 90,000 miles. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as a tachometer, a front bench seat, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.